I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by granting permissions and confirming storage. This gets the app working immediately. Once done, choose resolution and aspect ratio, 4:3 or 16:9, so framing matches your output. Make sure grid lines are on to compose using thirds. Next, pick file format. Use JPEG for quick sharing or RAW when you will edit later. Also, set the default save folder and verify available space so you won't run out mid-session. You now move into manual control to shape the image. Adjust ISO for noise, shutter speed for motion, and aperture for depth of field if available. Once you dial exposure, check the histogram and highlight warnings to avoid clipping. Make sure to lock focus and exposure when recomposing, because that preserves your settings. Also, set white balance or pick a preset to keep colors true. Finally, save this as a custom preset if you'll repeat the same style. Finish by reviewing images at full size to confirm focus and noise levels. Once satisfied, apply minimal edits, crop, exposure, color, and then export with chosen resolution and metadata included. Make sure you enable automatic backup to cloud or external drive to avoid loss. If you hit a problem, app crashes or failed export, clear the app cache, update or reinstall the app, and verify storage permissions. If issues persist, restart the device and retry. This often resolves transient problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.